Welcome back. In this session, we will dive deeper into object-oriented programming principle by building bank account class. Throughout this example, we're going to understand the concepts like encapsulation and abstraction. Here we have a class called bank account, which is going to represent a simple bank account system. And it includes two properties. The first one, account number, and second one, balance. And here, if we're gonna scroll down, we have two more methods, one for deposit and the other one for withdraw. In terms of encapsulation, as you can see, we hide the balance property by making it private. We ensure it cannot be directly modified from outside the class. Instead, we provide here two methods, deposit and withdraw, which is gonna prevent invalid operation and keep the account secure. Moreover, here we have something called constructor, and that's basically used to initialize the account with a valid account number and an optional starting balance to ensure that the starting balance cannot be negative by checking the value. So we can say here this class implement encapsulation as long as the balance gonna be private and control the access is provided the public method. Second, it implement abstraction. Here we can find deposit and withdraw method abstract away the complexity of balance management, providing simple interface for the user. As you can see here, even inside the withdraw we have a validation to make sure the balance will not be negative. As well, its reusability, because this class can be reused for multi-bank account by creating a multi-object, each its own data. So if you're gonna go again here to the main, we can find we created here my account and initialized by this account number and balance 500, and we can deposit 200 or even withdraw, and all of them gonna work. And if you try to withdraw 700, it's gonna show you a message it's insufficient balance. Great job! We have seen how to apply OOB principle to design a secure and reusable bank account class. It was a practical example of how OOB help organize code and solve real-world problems.